My Google Classroom. This is my home page. I have changed the profile picture. It was hard to find one that was a good size, but I have on the front page put a couple of things. There is the student reflection page, there's an assignment, my fashion style, there's a link to a YouTube video, and there is the fake disclosure document, link to Google Docs, so we'll open that up. Fake disclosure document. Going back, the YouTube video, you can see maybe no sound. Maybe it's my computer. There we go. It has it. Keep things assignments and students can. Here's the copy. That's about it.